Hey yo, kawan-kawan sekalian, how are you all? Welcome to all the friends, family, all the human, all the apa, ama, auntie, uncle, everyone. Today I got a new content for you all. Okay, first I want to tell you all disclaimer first to who that the people that ask me to speak in Malay I want to tell you all. If I saw this type of message again if you say I speak Malay better I can straight ask you all don't watch this video. Another thing is I can straight delete or block you all. It's okay, never mind. It's not that I racist guys, I want to tell you all. Actually it's already very appreciate I didn't speak Chinese. I speak Malay also can, no problem. But sometimes you all give me chance a little bit. This type of English is also Malaysian English, you all know Every of the Malaysian human don't know English also know how to listen my English. You all know why? Because why? Because my English also not so good. I speak a broken English. Every people also know to understand this type of English. And then you all need to understand why I speak English. Because not only Malaysian people you all need to understand we all sometimes need to make Malaysia bangga. Let other country people see, such as the overseas, Canadian, Australia, UK, US, even Thailand they don't know how to speak English. They also understand my video. Thailand, Kun Thai. So I am one kind of human that can speak many type of language except India. Mimi antu bas ketali polia kilar pandia ketotela dia. Hey, okay, so continue Don't ask me speak Malay. I can speak Malay, but sometimes give me chance. If you want to see Malay content I got all the short video and my TikTok, IG all also speak Malay. But YouTube sometimes give me chance a little bit. So if whoever that ask me to speak Malay better I say block you all. Just kidding. Jensen, come, Jensen. Never mind. Jensen today he angry me. He don't play with me. Jensen, come, go inside video together. Come. Never mind. So today another episode which is we all car enthusiasts play car never die. Play car cannot die. Yes. Play drive safe. I want to do my Fl5 again. What I want to do, you also know just now you saw the 招牌, the signboard. Ito signboard. I want to wrap my whole car. So what color am I gonna wrap? It's pink color. So today I off this video. Few more days I will update you all, see how the pink color looks like. Okay? Jensen, lu cakap apa boy? Lo okay oh? Macam Mickey lu? Mai Oh, he say don't want eat. Never mind But I want to eat man. He say don't want. His head. Then never mind Alright, friends out there. Today they are very serious doing my car, and the work is very fast Okay, as you can see the yellow color is already naik, the blue color is already naik. Now they are copy the call what already the logo. Okay, such as the spoon logo, the 92 is it, and then all those I don't know what logo the EXN logo, Wishlist project logo, LS performance logo, the RV6 logo, everything. And then later on they gonna tampal into this car and then done already. I think tomorrow should be done already, everything. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you a bit. Let's go take a look about my car slightly, just a little bit. Okay, let's go. Okay, friends, everyone. Now I want to explain some of the details about this shop, which is I like. Okay, first thing you see right here, which is I very like how they did. And then another thing is right here, the door panel is kind of detail, right? Kind of detail. And then all of the car they got put this at the lining everywhere. Example like right here, okay, to prevent damage all these panels right here, even at the top, even at the side right here. Okay, to prevent when the sticker is already pasang that time, it still looks no scratch your car. protection, okay? Even though right here, when they want to stick right here, here is already stick. So they balut this to prevent from kena scratch, okay? So they just sticker here. Then later we need to take out. Are you being picked? Are you being picked? Go search Google. What is are you being picked? This is the most important part because this one is kind of kanina blasted electric. So this one is a spoon called what idea? Air vent. This one costs for I think forget it. 4K something, 6K is it? Only for these pieces. I check back, let you all know. Because this is the first batch that I purchased, quite expensive. So they need to take care of it. They balut all this sticker right here to prevent from later kena scratch. More detail close up. Let's take a look. Some of the places. Totally nice. All the edges, totally very nice. Very nice. So part at the top right here, you cannot put too big because there's a sensor right here. Some they put it very big. The windshield sticker lah. Okay. Then they drill they do a triangle hole right here, but it's not nice. So we're gonna skip this part. Make it like this to prevent from blocking the sensor and the camera right here. Okay, for this stripe right here, we cannot make it exactly like 100% same like the spoon, but at least I try my best to match up, draw until almost the same. Okay, another details which is they balut my rim, not my rim lah, every customer lah, like this, to prevent from people kick your nice rim, calak later. Steam. What? You thought I doing something wrong? I'm polishing my sunglasses. You thought I see my car steam? No lah. Okay, so basically I think tomorrow gonna done. Okay, we're gonna stick some of the sticker spoon in front, LS performance, and then at the side, and the whole car together, the back, everything. So let's continue tomorrow. Okay. By the way, today I'm wearing this ASGF.co material. Nice, this t-shirt very nice. See, I just sembang with you all in within 3 minutes. 3 minutes. The spoon sticker is already settled. See. So this car, I gonna tell you all why I gonna wrap this car, you know, because the spoon manager, the name, we'll call what name dia? The Ajinomoto garam sikit, the manager lah, okay. He asked me to wrap this car, and then 3 more years gonna go to Japan auto show, and then go race at the Japan Nürburgring, okay. This car they reserve. Okay guys, today is another day. I reach here again. First, remember to support this sticker. This t-shirt, Wishlist project t-shirt. Okay. So today they are doing the front part, the yellow color, and then a bit of the side wording. I think gonna done very soon, maybe tonight or tomorrow. Then the front lip, I gonna take to Venice Polykit and put back my front lip. I didn't put motif, I put EXN. Okay, because I'm using EXN. And then Gran Turismo Mini GT, Matrix, Group M, RV6, which is all the part that I modified into my car. Okay, the most important thing is spoon
Day 4.
Geng, aku rasa ini yang semua orang nak Korang bacalah sendiri. Aku punya kawan karib, kawan baik, my good friend is here. Wishlist project. So basically dekat sini kan, semua stiker, apa nama semua dia boleh custom. Yang ni LS kita buat 2 layer. So pastikan letak sabun, sebab nanti kita nak adjust, dia boleh adjust dengan tepat sikit. Dia boleh adjust. Okay. So tak ngam, nanti kita baru boleh pergi belakang, kita tengok dari belakang. Lepas tu kita adjust bagi dia cun-cun. Rasanya sekali tanpa dah okey kot. Tak payah pergi buat apa kot. Macam ni. Okay, cun. Yo guys, so finally my car sudah siap, done. Nice right? This type of color. It's like you staying in Japan, you know. You staying at Japan, in Japan. You staying on Japan. This type of feel. So whenever when you're driving outside also, people the eyes also like this. Let's go take a look more closer. So some I try to follow lah, but I changed the motor to EXN, and then got Mini GT, Group M, RV6, everything. And at the back, it's like a track car, race car like this, 95 ST2, and then spoon, Bridgestone, because I'm using Bridgestone, and then got my logo, got HAWL sticker and film specialist, LS Performance, thank you very much. And also need to thanks to Tori and this EXN right here. Okay, so from now I still didn't go to do my lip yet, because my lip is at another place, Venice shop. Later I'm gonna go to install my lip. And then right here, Hondata, this one special. My good friend name Tataki Puki Haram and Kanina Gucci Kanasai. So guys, if you already interested wrapping your car, it's located at Sungai Petani, HAWL sticker. I can put a location at below. Or you can wrap any type of sticker like livery, spoon livery, advance. Actually, if you see in front right there, I no need to ask my wife to fetch me, because that one come inside here. This one I drive go out. So this is the new project again for this Tesla. You all stay tuned. Let you all guess what livery that I gonna. Oh, finally. Jom. Let's go to do my skirt. Okay. Macam mana? Okay ke tak? Nampak special kan? Dia actually macam ni kereta ni. Okay, tak apa. It's okay. I speak in Malay lah. This video mix lah. Okay, mix lah. Kereta ni, dulu aku letak PS punya logo. Banyak orang dia ikut. Tapi aku happy. So dia pun ada satu masa dah. Lepas tu kadang-kadang nak pergi event kan, dia kalau warna putih saja, dia nampak macam biasa sikit. Sebab banyak putih, kelabu ataupun warna biru kan. Actually untuk livery pun dah ada dah. Tapi tak ramai. So Adrian pun cadangkan Adrian buat spoon macam ni. Lain kali kita dekat highway, dia nampak smart sikit lah. Smart kan. Dia nampak shining sikit. Biru kuning kan. Sekarang aku nak pasang skirt ni. Aku ada dekat Venice Body Kit. Skirt depan. Lip. Bos bawa aku punya lip datang. Jom kita usah tengok. Macam ni baru betul-betul cun complete. Dia kalau tak ada lip depan, dia nampak macam pondan sikit. Baru complete je ni. Okay guys, so overall sekarang ni dah siap. Siap. Semua dah siap. Sekarang tengah proses di situ lagi dengan Tesla lagi. Modified never dies. Guys, take a look at this. Oh my god. It's like really a track car.